Watch this. Claude Code deletes a file and it never asks. On Thursday, that stops being a setting you switch on. It becomes the default. August 14th, Auto Mode turns on by default for Pro, Max, and Team. It's a good change, but only if you do one thing first. Give me 2 minutes, and you'll have 3 lines of setup that let Claude move fast and still never touch what matters. Here's their reasoning, and honestly, it's fair. People approve 97% of prompts without really reading them. In testing, Auto Mode's safety classifier caught 89% of dangerous commands. Humans clicking approve caught about 13, and teams on AutoShip roughly 25% more work. But read the fine print. Theirs, not mine. Quote, Auto Mode does not guarantee safety. The classifier is a model making judgment calls. A net, not a wall, and nets have holes. It gets sharper. A limit you just say out loud, like don't push. The docs say it's reread from your chat history every time, and it can be forgotten the moment your context gets compacted. So don't bet your repo on good behavior. Give Claude rails it physically cannot cross. And one more surprise waiting on Thursday. The moment Auto Mode switches on, Claude quietly drops your broad allow rules. That blanket bash star you added to stop the prompts? Gone. The second Auto takes over. Wildcard interpreters, package manager commands, agent permissions, all dropped, then handed to the classifier instead. Your old guardrails don't come with you. So, let's build ones that do. 3 rails, 1 file, 2 minutes. Let's build them. Rail 1, pick your posture. Set your default mode yourself. Want the speed? Choose auto, not ready. Choose accept edits or plan, and Thursday changes nothing for you. And one detail that matters. Auto only counts when it lives in your own user settings. A project you cloned can't quietly promote itself. You're in the driver's seat on purpose. If this saves your repo even once, that's the whole point of this channel. Follow along, and if it's earning it, become a member. Rail 2. Deny the things you can never undo. A deny rule is a hard wall. It holds in every mode, even auto. No classifier opinion involved. I ran it. Same delete command, same auto mode. Without the rule, the file is just gone. With it, denied. Cold. Force push, hard reset, recursive delete. Name the ones that would ruin your day, and they simply cannot run. Rail 3. Gate the risky. Some actions you don't want to ban, you just want to see coming. An ask rule keeps autos flow for everything safe, then taps you on the shoulder for the few that matter. A push, a merge, a deploy. Claude stops, shows you exactly what it wants to run and waits. Speed everywhere else. Eyes where it counts. Here's the whole thing. Open your settings file, tilde.claude, settings.json, paste these 3 blocks, restart Claude, done. Set your posture, wall off the irreversible, gate the risky. Want the exact file? Comment the word Rails and I'll send it straight to you. And the step-by-step beginner playbooks, Claude Code, Codex, Cowork, and the Certified Architect Prep are all linked right below. Thursday, Claude stops asking permission. And after 2 minutes of setup, that's exactly what you want. Let it fly. You already decided what it can never touch.